Hey everybody, so I'm at a new customer's house. Uh, this customer wants 1 month of service because it's on the market and they're fixing to close. But I have not looked at it, and I always recommend looking at the pools first, so I'm hoping I don't get into something bad here. So let me just see here what we've got going on here. Never been in this backyard before. That's a lot of trees right there. Okay. So it's not too bad, but it's definitely gonna get right back to where it was before. Um, so, but this is not going to be a problem for the Hammerhead pull vacuum that I use. It'll do a pretty good job. But as you can see, all of these trees, they're directly over the pool, so this will be probably looking like a mess by tomorrow. We'll check out this pool equipment over here, see what we have going here. And so looks like a new Crystal Flow 2. Don't really run across those. That's a stay right, so I don't run across those a lot. But yeah, so there's all the equipment and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my supplies and come back here, and I'm going to go ahead and clean the pool up, and then I'll come back when I'm done cleaning it, show you what it looks like. But like I said, the leaves are actually falling as we speak here, and it's very windy today. So all right, well, I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay guys, so I just got done doing this, and you can see leaves are already falling on the top, but got the majority. So there's a few stray ones that I'm gonna have to look at getting, but other than that, I'm actually fixing to adjust the chemicals and get everything going here, and then pretty much just going to go from there. I get accounts like this all the time to where people are selling their house, and they need somebody to maintain it while it's on the market. And so this particular one is supposed to be closing. So just wanted to make this video. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and please like this video. That would help me out a lot. I would appreciate it. It'll help people find my channel. And like I said, I make a lot of videos like this, kind of helping you out take care of your own pool if you have a pool, if you're a new pool owner. And that's what I like to do, is just share my experience in the business with others. So all right, well, I will see everybody in my next video, and thank you for watching.